sun in the snow. Me being pulled around by the dogs in the snow. There's Ethan. Me being tangled by the dogs in the snow. Me untangling myself. Attempting to anyway. There we go. It's just so pretty. I thought you'd want to see some really pretty snow. Ethan? Ethan? Ethan. Son. Pretty girl, son. Oh. Ethan peeing. Amy. Amy in the snow. More snowfall. Ethan peeing in the snow. Sun getting herself all tangled in on the garbage can. It's so pretty. Yeah. Hey, here's a winter video card from Rachel.